Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is the icon box for February of 2024, curated by GWEN Stefani. I love her. I love her brand. One of her quads, her matte quads, is my absolute favorite, and I use her eyebrow pencil all the time. I have her Original Me red lipstick. I have her Tragic Me lipstick. And guess what? Now I have a box curated by her. And it actually says icon box. I don't think it said icon box before. I don't remember. But look, we have it. And I'm so excited. So if you're also excited, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would literally mean a lot to me if you did. I also did the Glam Bag X and the Glam Bag. That will be up soon. I did an eye look with the ASB tape palette that came in the Glam BOXYCHARM by Ipsy, and I'm also in the process of reviewing this new foundation from Revolution Beauty, Makeup Revolution, whatever. They have like 12 companies. But yeah, if you are into this type of video, thumbs up, subscribe. Let's get into it. As always, this is sent to me in PR. Thank you so much. Love it. Okay. All right. Look, we have our magazine with the beautiful GWEN Stefani. I love her. Oh, I'm going to keep this magazine just because I love her. Maybe I should like... Oh, I forgot. The Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation was coming as a pick. The Brow Freeze. I love the Brow Freeze. The Double Take Tarte's good. Oh my god, the Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick is in here, which I have. It's amazing. I'm sorry. I'm just like... I'm looking at everything and I'm just in awe because it looks so good. Okay. I'm really excited. Also, I've pre-looked at this box. So that's another reason why I'm so excited, because I know it's coming in here and I'm just really excited. Thankfully, I didn't get any repeat items because I would have been really sad about that, but you know, it is what it is. First things first, before my camera dies because it's flashing red, I got this product here, which this is apparently a perfume oil. Maison Louis Marie number 13. God, this is not working out. The lighting. Oh no, and then there's a sticky thing and I'm on a time crunch. This is no fun. Okay, oh no. I don't have a normal setup, so I don't have anything like readily available to open this. Oh, it's cute! Is this full size? Well, I guess this is a perfume oil. It's super concentrated. Okay, I can't smell anything, but we don't have time to smell. Yeah, okay, cool. Love that, great. And then we have from Gold Fatten MD, the Plant Profusion Supreme Serum. Come on, do your thing, camera. This is what this looks like. It's gold packaging, super pretty. Okay, things are looking better back here. The farther away, the better. Probably a good thing, because this face is... Ugh. No, I'm just kidding. Next up, from In Beauty Project, which I got a cleanser in my other box, and I'm so stoked about this. This is the Face Glaze Bronze Gel Cream. Adds a warm bronze glow and hydrates skin. So I feel like this is like, oh, waist to face glaze bronze on its own to add a bronze glow as a primer mixed with foundation. Oh, or on top of makeup as a cream bronzer. Wait. Okay, when I was reading this earlier, I was just like, okay, I thought it was like a self tanner. It's not. Okay, hold on. I'm excited now. I know my energy is so rushed right now, but I'm like literally rushed. Oh, and this looks perfect. Hold on. That's a good color for me. It's right here. I just put a little on because I didn't know how much would come out. But I have to try this. This is going to be a try makeup I got in PR video type thing. Dr. Jart, Serum. Okay, so my battery's not charged enough. It's not even turning on, so like I have things to do soon, so if I don't go ahead and finish filming, I'm not going to be able to finish tonight. So we're going to finish filming on my phone. So I'm not really sure where I left off. I know I talked about the In Beauty Glow Face Bronze, but I was starting to talk about this. So this is I don't know where to look at on my phone. Maybe right here. Dr. Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. Dr. Jart. Okay, first off, lighting way better on my phone than my camera. Dr. Jart, I have heard nothing but amazing things about. I think this is probably the first time I've really ever received anything from them. I see them a lot in TJ Maxx, like their face masks, but here we have this product, which is super exciting. Wow. quality looks way better on my phone. I really need to like mess with my camera settings. Okay, so we have that. We have this here from Ren Clean Skincare. I've only tried a few products from them and I didn't really like them. Sorry, I didn't. It was just too oily and it just left my skin feeling gross. So Glycolic Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. The mask may be good. Brightens and smooths. Clean to skin, clean to planet. So I'll definitely try this because I would like to have a Ren product that I like. So here we go. This is what it looks like. Definitely has chunks in there. Probably for some exfoliating, probably. I don't really know. But we'll try this. We'll definitely try it. Before we get to GWEN products, let's look at this palette. Dominique Cosmetics Essentials palette. I remember this launched, was it the beginning of last year or the year before last? I do remember this launching though. And I almost want to say that this, when it launched, went into BOXYCHARM when BOXYCHARM was a thing. I can't remember, but this is a heavy palette. Really like this packaging. It's a really nice and the color is really pretty. So this is the color Story. Really, really pretty. My child. Yes? Yeah, come get it. Okay, so this color is Calling My Name. Really pretty.
Actually, I'm playing in the dark.
You're playing in the dark?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the sun set.
These are pretty colors. So, if you guys want to see me use this in a video, definitely let me know. I really do like these shades. They're really, really pretty.
Hello.
Your hand is so dirty. But, oh my gosh, there's a lot of commotion now. This is why I can't film. There's just so much commotion in my life, you guys. But this is really pretty. So yeah, anyways, we have 2 products left from Give Beauty. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have the lipstick shade in Lovable Me, which is amazing because I already have Tragic Me. So now I have this color, which I'm so excited about because I don't have a repeat lip color. How pretty. Smells good, and I don't have this shade. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I have a million animals. I'm so sorry. And then I have this eyeliner in Bath Water, which is a blue, which I love. I've always been a blue eyeliner gal when it comes to the lower lash line. So you put like brown all over and then you put a blue, and that's a beautiful blue. So I'm so excited. This is my favorite Icon Box. Ipsy X. I don't care. This is so good. There's so many good products in here. And I'm so excited. I mean, I've loved a lot of boxes, but I can't remember what else I've loved. So right now, this is my number 1. Love it so much. Okay, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for being here. Sorry it's hectic. Sorry the background noise sucks. Subscribe to my farm channel. You'll understand why. Peace out.